In today's video, I'm going to teach you HubSpot calculated properties, what they are, and how to use them, basic and advanced. First, open your HubSpot portal and head to your home screen. From there, click the gear icon to open settings. In the left sidebar, under Data Management, select Properties. This is where all your data fields live, and where we'll build our calculated property. If you manage multiple objects, make sure you're on the right one for your use case before creating anything. Click Create Property. To get started, we need to define our property's identity. For the property label, I'm typing Potential Lifetime Value. This is the name your team will see in the CRM, so choose something clear and intuitive that aligns with your reporting language. Next, set the field type. Hover through the options and look for Calculation. Choose that, and then pick the calculated property type. We're going with Custom Equation. Here's why this is important. While basic rollups only let you do simple sums or counts, a custom equation allows for complex math, like multiplying or using conditional logic. It's essentially like having a mini Excel spreadsheet running inside every single record. This is the advanced part of our guide, where we move into true Excel-style logic directly inside the CRM. Since we're calculating deal values, our output type must be a number. To keep the data clean, set the number format to formatted number so you'll see proper commas and decimals. This small detail makes dashboards and exports far easier to read. Now, click Edit More Options at the bottom. This is a crucial step for power users because it bypasses the simplified view and opens up the full manual editor. Notice how it brings us directly into the Details tab, giving us total control over the property's metadata. Add a clear description. I'm typing calculates the total value of all closed-won deals associated with this contact. Pro tip for your 2026 HubSpot strategy. Documentation like this is vital for long-term data organization. As your CRM grows and you add more calculated properties, thorough internal notes prevent confusion and ensure everyone understands the exact logic without having to reverse engineer equations later. Before moving forward, do a quick final check. Hover over the property label, the object type, and the internal name to ensure everything is consistent. This manual review is what separates a basic setup from a professional, high-skill implementation. Click Create. You'll be redirected to the properties dashboard. In the search bar, type Potential Lifetime Value to verify it's live. And there you go. The calculated property is ready to be used across your entire HubSpot portal. Subscribe for more.